Hey everyone, Chef Ben here for Giant Eagle, and today we're kicking off our Comforts of Fall video series with a great home gating recipe. Now everyone knows Giant Eagle is your one-stop shop for all things home gating, from chips and dips to our famous fried chicken, chicken wings, and pretzel bites. Today we're going to be teaming up with these great products by making 3 slider recipes: a kicked up Cuban, a loaded buffalo, and a muffaletta. Let's get started. Start by cutting a 12-pack of King's Hawaiian rolls in half. Add 4 ounces of muffaletta spread to each side of the bread. If you don't have muffaletta spread, you can also use olive tapenade, or you can make your own by pureeing jardiniere and your favorite olives. Make sure you spread out the muffaletta spread so it covers all of the bread. Next, place mortadella over top of the bread. If you don't like mortadella, you can also use bologna. Next, add Genoa salami. Next, add ham. If you want to make it spicier, add capricola instead. Finally, sweet soppressata. Top it off with some sliced provolone and some fresh mozzarella. Add the top back on. As a nice garnish, skewer a peppercini and place into each sandwich to help hold it together. Cut the sandwiches into 12 individual pieces. The next sandwich we're going to make is our Cuban. Start with the 12 rolls, cut them in half again. Add a hefty amount of mustard. Spread the mustard with a spoon so it evenly covers all the bread. Next, add your favorite ham. Pulled pork. Pickles. And Swiss cheese. Garnish each sandwich with a toothpick and a gherkin. For the loaded buffalo, slice the rolls in half, drizzle both sides of bread with your favorite ranch dressing, place green leaf lettuce on the bottom bun, add some sliced Roma tomato, a piece of boneless buffalo chicken dip. This actually makes the sandwich a little messy, but adds a really nice kick. Finally, some crumbled blue cheese. Add a toothpick into each piece. Here we have our 3 slider recipes. If you'd like to serve these warm, pop them in the microwave for about 30 seconds, or place them in a low temperature oven for about 5 to 10 minutes to help melt that cheese. The great thing about these is they can be prepared for a small group or a larger group. Simply cut the bread in half or double up the recipe. The great thing about these sliders is you can customize it by adding different toppings and ingredients to really make it fit your taste. Tune in next time as we continue our fall video series with an update on a classic Oktoberfest recipe.